everyone, I hope you had a nice relaxing weekend. Monday is here again, it's week 3 and we're going to be carrying on with time, okay? But we're going to be looking at Hamilton Maths, which is what we normally do in class, okay? So I'm going to try and video the PowerPoint and discuss it with you. So today we are going to be telling the time past the hour to 5 minutes on an analog clock, which is one that goes all the way around and ticks, and a digital clock which reads the time like a phone, for example, 5:35. Okay, so what time is the clock showing at the minute? So this is the minute hand and this is the hour hand, okay? So you want to be looking at the hour hand first, which is the shorthand. So the shorthand is pointing at 9, so it's 9 and it's pointing at o'clock. So what time do you think it is? That's right, it's 9 o'clock, which can be written as 9 o'clock or can be written, that's analog or digitally, 9.00. Where will each hand be in half an hour? So the clock is going to go half an hour, half past. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see, 9.30 in an digital clock or 9:30 as an analog clock, okay? And as you can see, the hour hand is halfway between the 9 and the 10 because it's halfway. If it was to go all the way round to 12, that would then move to 10, okay? So it's half of the clock face and halfway between 9 and 10. So again, if we're going to write it in written form, it's 9:30, or if we're going to write it digitally, it's 9.30. Where is the minute hand now? Where is the hour hand now? So it's at 30 and 9 still. 9 o'clock. Let's count around from 9 o'clock in 5-minute intervals, okay? So this counts as 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock if we're looking at the hour. But if we're going to be looking at the minutes, remember our clocks go round in 5s. We all know our 5 times table, so we all should be pretty good at this, okay? So that would be 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past because it's half the clock, 35, 40, 45, also known as quarter to, 50, 55, new hour. Okay, so we're just going to go around. 5 past, 5 past 9, 10 past 9, quarter past 9. Why quarter past? Because it's a quarter of a way. There's 4 quarters in a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why this is sometimes known as quarter past and quarter to, okay? 20 past. 25 past. Half past. Why? Because it's halfway through the hour or half the clock face. Let's try those times in digital notation now, okay? So 9 would be 9 ... It's at 5 past. 9.0. What do you think is going to go in there? Yep, you guessed it. 5. 9.05. Go around another 5 minutes. It's going to be 9:10. Go around another 5 minutes and it's going to be, what do you think? Yes, 9:15. Again, we know our 5 times table. 5, 10, 15. 9:20, 9:25, 9.30. So we're not going to worry about our whiteboards because obviously we don't have them. This reads 11:10. What time do you think this reads? So what you need to do, if you're going to look at it digitally, I would follow the hour hand first, which is, as we know, the shorthand. So it's just past the 8, so it's going to be 8 ... 5, 10, 15, 20. So we literally write 8.20. Shall we check if we are correct? Woo! 8:20. Next time, what does this read? I'll give you a couple of seconds to look at it. Remember, look at the hour hand first, which is the shorthand. It's just past the 5, so it's going to be 5 ... What's it going to be? 5, 10, 15. 5 ... 15. Let's go again. What do you think this reads? Look at the hour hand first, which is the small hand. It's pointing at the 1, so we know it's going to be 1 ... 1:05. Look at the hour hand first. It's just past the 2, so we know it's going to be 2 ... 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you're going to write 2 ... 30. 2:30. Look at the hour hand first. It's just past the 7, so it's going to be 7 ... Count around in your 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Therefore, it's going to be 7 ... 25. Should we check? 7:25. Hour hand first. Pointing the shorthand to the 10 and 2 o'clock. So how do we write that? Using a digital clock. We write 10 ... 00 0. It's a full hour. 10, that shows o'clock, okay? 10 ... 0. So your task today, you'll see the sheet attached, is you have the time here and I want you to write it in digitally. I don't want you to worry too much about getting the right numbers like this. Just write them in, okay? So again, just like before, look at the hour hand. It's just past the 6, so it's going to be 6 ... 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 6 ... 25. Now, if you really want to challenge, you can then write in this box it in words, okay? So you'll write 25 past 6, if that's what you want to write, okay? That is a challenge though, so if you don't feel up for it, don't do it. If you do feel like you want to give it a try, but you're a bit unsure, throw your answers at me and we can discuss it through Seesaw, okay? This one, you have to draw 12:30 on the clock yourself. So again, I would draw the shorthand, the hour hand first, and then draw the long minute hand, okay? And that will be your challenge for today. Any questions? You know where I am.